Hotel at Park Boulevard and Crest Avenue in Wildwood on the border of Wildwood Crest. Guests suffering through a power outage finally got relief. Their power came back on after nearly 7 hours.
Everything was closed. All the lights were on.
Moments before power was restored in their area, Julia Elzamore, her husband Mohammed, and their 2 young girls, who all arrived yesterday, had packed up and checked out, concerned that puppy Mocha wouldn't make it through the outage.
Because she's only 15 weeks, so she gets really hot at night, so we have to go.
Just up the block, the Trolley family played cornhole while making plans for a long, hot night.
We did some pasta on a barbecue grill earlier. We'll probably do some burgers and dogs later.
They remained optimistic with no AC or cell phone service.
Just hanging out with the family, which is really nice, honestly. It's kind of nice to get disconnected, but it is kind of crazy here.
Their power also came on within an hour of talking to them just before 7. Maybe baby Isla had a hunch. She broke out in a dance as we were leaving. Later in the evening, though, people in North Wildwood weren't as lucky.
I have my cell phone, which doesn't have much of a charge left, so hopefully the power gets on soon, or I'm going to have to go to my car.
The Parisi family waited for news on whether they would be stuck with no power through the night. Officials expected some would be, and said Atlantic City Electric experienced a fire at the company's Lake Avenue substation in Wildwood around noon, which led to the outage.
No power, no air conditioning, cold shower. Oh, that's great. You're at the shore. But it still beats being home working.
All right, I agree with that. So surprisingly, though, Don and Chris, very few businesses reopened once power was restored. I expect that there will be a lot of house parties out here tonight since those businesses didn't reopen. And, of course, no surprise here, Wawa has been a madhouse all evening.
That is definitely not a surprise, Shawnette.
And my family is one of those house parties, in case you hear, on 7th Street down there.
Thanks, Shawnette.
I'm headed up.